What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And yesterday was brutal. It was really brutal. We had some horrible beats. If any of you guys watched the Sacramento LA game, hopefully you guys had more fun watching it than I did, because that was absolutely brutal to watch. So the D'Angelo Russell discounted prop on Sleeper yesterday. It was set at 13.5. He had 10 points in the first quarter. I was like, oh baby, this is an easy win. We needed him to get that one to 5x our money. He didn't score another freaking point in the whole freaking game. Like, what the hell? That was so infuriating to watch. So we lost on that one. He ended up with 10 points. First quarter, 10 points, didn't score the rest of the game. So that was horrible. Brutal beat. Just horrible. On the other side, I put De'Aaron Fox in my James Harden discounted prop. I needed him to get 5.5 assists. I need him to get 6 assists. He goes out, he gets 2 in the first half. So I was like, oh, this isn't looking too good. He gets 2 very quickly in the third quarter. So he's at 4 with 10 minutes left in the third quarter. And he doesn't pass the ball anymore. He ties his career high in points. And every time he got the ball, he shot. He did not pass the ball. That was just a brutal day overall. That was just tough to watch. I was pissed off. So we lost on both of those. So that was a brutal day. And I also put De'Aaron Fox over 3.5 assists. Or 4.5 assists in the Chalkboard free square. So I missed on all those. So that was brutal day. But we are back today. And I have a play that I'm absolutely loving. We are going to cash this one, and we're going to get back on that win streak. So this is a play over on Chalkboard. If you guys aren't on Chalkboard, go over there and use the code 907fantasy when signing up. They're going to match your deposit up to $100. Free $100 to go and play with. So easy $100 to go and grab today. But we're going Rudy Gobert over double-double. This man is a machine. He's a double-double machine. He's got 4 in the last 5 games. And with Karl Anthony Towns out with a meniscus tear, he's going to be their main big man. So guaranteed he's getting a double-double tonight. So we're taking Rudy Gobert over double-double. And then we're going Jalen Duren over a double-double as well. He has 4 in the last 5. And I like that matchup for him tonight against Brooklyn. So looking for a double-double there with him. And then lastly, we're going back to Derek White. He's been cashing for us all year. So we're going Derek White over 3.5 assists. He's averaging 7 in his last 5. So I do like this line for him here. So that's why we're taking Derek White over his assists. So that is the 3-man that I'm playing over on Chalkboard today. Like I said, if you guys aren't on Chalkboard, use the code 907fantasy over there, and they're going to match your deposit up to $100. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Now, over on Sleeper Fantasy today, I like this play as well over there. So we're going Rudy Gobert over a double-double, Jalen Duren over a double-double, and then instead of Derek White, we're mixing it up a little bit, and we're going Jimmy Butler over a 3-pointer made. So he's hit this line in his last, I don't even know how many games. He's consistent at least getting 1 a game. So I really like this line for him here. So the big one is we need to get Jalen Duren a double-double. The rest of them I'm very confident in, but Jalen Duren, his line is the least juiced out of all of them. So that's going to be the riskiest of them. But that's the play that I'm playing over on Sleeper Fantasy. And if you guys aren't on Sleeper, go ahead and go over there and get signed up. And they're going to match your deposit up to $500 when you use the code 907fantasy. So those are the 2 plays that I'm playing both on Sleeper and on Chalkboard. So go ahead and take advantage of both those plays. Go get them locked in. Get signed up with code 907fantasy on both Chalkboard and Sleeper, and you'll get $600. So go ahead. If you're going to be telling me on all these today, good luck with all of your plays. Let's go cash these, and good luck with any of your other plays that you're playing today. But if you guys aren't on the VIP yet, go ahead and go over there and get subscribed to the VIP. But good luck. Let's go cash today, and peace out.